Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard using pivot table in Excel for employee attrition and job satisfaction analysis. So this is a real world project and we will solve some important questions step by step using Excel tools. So let's start solving our first question. The question number 1 is that is sum of monthly income, average job satisfaction as per job role and education field. So here you can see this is data that we are going to use in this project. So to create this project, first we need to click on this insert tab, and after that click on this, and here you need to select from table range, and after that here you can see click on OK, and now here you can see all the column names of the data are available. So first we are going to drag and drop that is job role under the rows. Under the columns that we are going to drag and drop, there is education field, and under the values that we are going to drag and drop, first there is monthly income, under the values again we are going to drag and drop that is job satisfaction, but here instead of sum I need that is average. Just click on this, and here you can see value field setting. Click on here, and here I'll select this average and click OK. So now I need to use chart, that is pivot chart, to get the pivot chart. For that, here you can see pivot chart. Click on here. I'm going to use this stack column chart and click OK. So here you can see all the columns names are appear. Since I don't need, just right click and hide all field button on chart. So now here I need the title name of this chart. Click on this plus button, and here you can see chart title, and here we need to mention chart name, that is chart title name. This monthly income and satisfaction by rule. All right, so next we are going to create that is gender wise, job role wise, average job satisfaction and environment satisfaction. So before moving ahead, what we have to do is first I'll go back here, and here click on new sheet. Just rename this sheet dashboard and enter. So what I have to do this, so this chart, just I'm going to copy, Control plus C, and go to here dashboard, just right click otherwise Ctrl plus V. So now I need to go back on the main data set. Now we are going to create the second chart, that is general wise, job rule wise, average job satisfaction, and environment satisfaction. So for that, again we need to go in the main data set, and here you can see called insert. Click on here and again click on there, and after that select this from table range, and again make sure that you select this new worksheet and click OK. In the same way, here you can see all the column names of the data set are available here. So first what we have to do is we are going to drag and drop again the job rule under the rows and column under the gender. That means gender I'll drag and drop under the column. And values, there is job satisfaction. I'll drag and drop under the values. There is job satisfaction, and also I'm going to drag and drop, there is environment satisfaction under the values, and I'm going to change from sum to average. Click on this, click on value field setting and click average and click OK. In the same way, click on here again, next, environment satisfaction, value field setting, select average, click OK. So now we need again, that is chart. To get the chart, again click on this pivot chart. So here we can use any chart according to you. So I'm going to use this chart, 3D stack column chart, and click OK. So in the same way, I'm going to hide all the column names. Right click and hide all field button on chart. Again we need the title name of this chart. Click on here and click on check mark it, this chart title, and here we need to write, there is our title name of the chart. So this time this title name is, there is satisfaction by gender. Sorry, spelling is not correct. Now what I have to do is, I need to copy, Ctrl plus C, and go to the dashboard and paste it here. So next we are going to create, that is, education field wise, job role wise, average hourly rate, average monthly income. So for that we need to go under the main data set, and here we need to click on insert tab, and after that here you can see pivot table. Click on this and click on from table range. Make sure that you select again this radio button, new worksheet, and click OK. So now here first we are going to drag and drop, that is, education field under the rows, and under the columns that I'm going to drag and drop, that is job role. Under the values that I'm going to drag and drop, that is hourly rate, and again under the values, that is monthly income, again I need to drag and drop under the values. And finally again I'm going to drag and drop, that is job satisfaction. So since here you can see it is set as sum, I'm going to change into average all the data here. First let me change this hourly rate. Click on value field setting, click on average. Next, monthly income, value field setting, click on average. OK. Finally, job satisfaction, value field setting, click on average. OK. So now we need a chart, that is pivot chart. So for that here you can see again, click on here pivot chart, and this time we are going to use this, that is stack column chart, and click OK. Again, to hide all those column name, right click and hide all field button on chart, and here we need, that is the title name of the chart. Again we need to click on this plus menu, and after that select this, tick mark it, chart title, and here we need to write our title name of the chart. So our title name of the chart is, that is trends by education and role. So now again I need to copy, Ctrl plus C, and go to dashboard. Ctrl plus V. So next we are going to create, that is department wise, gender wise, average job satisfaction. Again, go to the main data set and click on here, insert tab, click on here again from table range. In the same way, new worksheet, make sure that you select this and click OK. So now we are going to drag and drop first, that is department under the rows, gender under the columns, sorry, first rows is department here, all right, and column is gender, all right, and values is under the job satisfaction. Just drag and drop, and now I'll set as average from sum. Click on this value field setting and select this average. So now we need again chart, click on here, so this time I'm going to use cluster column chart, this one, and click OK. Since I don't need this, again the name of the column, right click and hide all field button on chart. Again we need, that is chart title name, tick mark it, chart title, and here we need to type our title name of the chart. So our title name of chart is, that is job satisfaction by department and gender. Alright, so now I'll copy and paste it again under the dashboard. Ctrl plus C and go to the dashboard, and I'll paste it here. So next we are going to create, that is find average, breakdown on average, distant from whom, related to gender, department and job role. So for that we need to go again in the main data set, and here click on insert tab, and here click on this, and here you can see from table range, and make sure that again you select this radio button and new worksheet and click OK. So here first we are going to drag and drop, that is job role under the rows, columns. Gender I'm going to drag and drop under the columns. And this time we need filter, that is department. We are going to drag and drop under the filter, that is department. So now value we are going to drag and drop, that is distance from home. Okay, so now we are going to set under the here you can see the sum. Now we are going to change, that is average. Click on here and click on value field setting and click on average and click OK. So the title, now first before moving ahead we need chart. So for that here you can see called pivot chart. Click on here. So now we can use this chart 3D stack column. Just click OK. And to remove those column name, just right click and hide all field button on chart. So now what we have to do is just Ctrl+C and go to dashboard, and here Ctrl+V, just paste it here. So next we are going to create the final, that is find average monthly income by education and attrition. So for that go to the main data set, and here again click on this insert pivot table. Click on this, and here you can see again from table range. So make sure that you select this new worksheet. So now click on OK. So now we are going to drag and drop, there is education under the rows, and attrition I'll drag and drop under the columns. And values that I'm going to drag and drop, that is under the values I'm going to drag and drop, that is monthly income. So now chart we are going to use. For that again we need chart. For that here you need to click this pivot chart. So this time we are going to use again cluster column chart and click on OK. So here what we have to do is just we need to remove this sum of monthly income. For we need to hide. Ctrl+ here just right click on it, and after that here you can see hide all field button on chart. So here again we need the chart, the title name of the chart. For that here just click on this plus menu and tick mark chart title and remove this, and the title name will be, that is income comparison by education and attrition. So now I need to copy from here, Control plus C, and go to dashboard and need to paste here. Control plus, we need to resize all the chart one by one. Now already we have resized all the chart. Now what we have to do this, now we are going to change the background that I'm going to show you right now. First, what I have to do this, first I'm going to remove this grid line. So click on this view, and after that here you can see grid line, just untick mark it. And now I need the background is which is not looks good. So for that, what I have to do this, I need to click on who. But before changing this, the background of this dashboard, what I have to do this, just Control plus A, and go to here, background color, and I'm going to change this color. Okay, so this is the color that I'm going to use. So now what I have to do this, now I need, actually that is the title of this, the project. So for that, what I have to do this, there is for that what I have to do here, you can see call insert. Again click on this insert tab, and here you can see shapes. Just click on here, and I'll select this rectangle, and I'll drag and drop here. Okay, so here we need to type our title name of this project, that is Employee Attrition and Job Satisfaction Analysis. And to change this font size, the text size, so for that click on home again, and here we 20 will be 24, 20 will be enough for this time. And color I need, that is this color for this time. So what I have to do this, suppose if you want to change this color again, need to select like this, and again need to select, we need to click on this font color, and here you can change whatever color that you like. This text I need under the center in this, okay, in this here. So for that, what I have to do this, just select this all the entire text and click on this middle aligned. So now here you can see we already created the title name of this project. So now we need to add some slicer. So for that, click on any cell, any chart, sorry, and after that click on insert, and after that click on slicer. And here we are going to add first, that is the gender, second is department, first department, and job role. and click OK. Alright, so now just click on this job role slicer, and here you can see if you need column. Here according to that you can mention there's how many columns that you need, but since I need only one column in this job role, so for that I have to do this. I need to resize this a little bit. Alright, so now I'll drag and drop here, and next here again if you need 3-4 columns according to that, depend on you, but since I need only one column, but here if you need you can mention 4 3 according to that. Okay, according to you. Okay, since I need only one, just I'll mention again one, and after that I'll just resize this. I'll drag and drop here, but it looks not nice. So what I have to do this better, I'll mention here 2 columns. Okay, so it looks better. So now next, this is the department. Again, let me resize this and drag and drop here. Here in this department, what I have to do this better, I'll mention there is two column, and now here you can see this. All right, now you can see we have already created dashboard. So now what we have to do this, now we are going to interconnect all the table under the each slicer. So for that, click on this slicer job rule, right click on it, and after that here you can see report connection, and tick mark all the table, pivot table, and click OK. Again next gender, just right click, report connection, tick mark all the pivot table, and click OK. Next department, report connection, tick mark all the pivot table, and click OK. So now here you can see all the tables are interconnected. So why actually we are using slicer? Because when you click here, example here, manager, so it will change all the chart equally. That means at the same time. Even if you click female, it will change all the chart at a time. Male in the same way. Human resources. So this is how we can create report or dashboard.